Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the pound yen, I still think this is extremely clearly on the monthly time frame at wave A, 3 waves down for wave B, and we are currently in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. We did break that high, which has been my target for months and months now, so we are kind of in my target area, but until I see that the wave 3 is over, I would definitely still look for longs. I do think eventually it is going to make a big wave 4 and then go up and make a big wave 5, but this is the monthly time frame, and that could happen anywhere from, a week to several months from now. So really, until proven otherwise, I would still be looking for longs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I said, we definitely did pierce that high right there that I've been looking for a very long time. If it does go down and if it does start breaking some very significant structure levels, then that probably would tell me the wave 3 is over and that we are making a big wave 4, which would last probably about the size of this wave 2, which is basically several months before it does go up again for a wave 5 to finish off that wave C on the monthly time frame. But like I said, no proof that it's over yet. Going down to the daily, my most recent structure level that would prove that this is over is way down here. I mean, really, like I said, there's no proof that this is over. This could easily make a correction and just continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. Until the trend is over, I will trade with the trend, especially on the yen pairs, because this is a 4-year uptrend right now that we're looking at. I am definitely not trying to identify the end of a 4-year uptrend, but instead I have been trading for months and months to the long side only, looking for entries to go long every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So keeping that in mind, because for me it's extremely important, taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. This most recent end of a correction right here, I mean, it does have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. We do have that break of structure. We have no break of structure on the monthly, that is. That's what this line is the break of that big wave A. We have no Fibonacci bounce. We have no lower high. We have no engulfing move to the downside. We have no break of structure to the downside. That tells me that even though it looks like it could go down, it might just make a correction and it might just keep going up. Until I get one of those 4 things that I just listed happening, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames still. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. I mean, like I said, it does have a little bit of a 5-wave shape to it. I mean, we did get this huge spike reversal. Last night's yen news did cause the yen pairs to go up, which is exactly what I thought was going to happen, because you could tell instantly that this was not a trend that was over, even hours before the news came out. So, like I said, this is kind of a big resistance area. Maybe it will go down now. Maybe it will break structure. Maybe not. Maybe it'll just make another correction, make another higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep on going up. So since you don't really know whether it's going to go down in a big way, and since this is a 4-year uptrend, I would definitely be continuing to look for longs every single chance I get at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this 4-year uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by joining at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.